Two more.
This one hasn't bring a Molotov to back it up, is spamming through Squeaky. I'm good. Xantares should have all 4 kills there, and he does. Great aim by Xantares. Just give him the ace already. Unless he gets 1 dig.
To do damage, won't do as much as they want to, and they do take Keto down. Fast play out from the T side, force the AK lines up, sprays on towards both. It's Xantares, so of course it would. And back up from the AWP has arrived towards Cross. Further flashbangs evaded. Third spray, fourth spray! Xantares is going for the ace. He couldn't quite make it happen. The UMP gets himself 2 picks, but
Kanka gel benimle ses yapmadan gidelim.
At flash'ı.
Attım.
Oğlum full körüm ya. Kaç kere? At oğlum at.
Burada ona da vurdum. Helal.
Ne flash atmışım be.
He's playing in the smoke. Has to be somewhat uncomfortable. Surprised he's gonna get overrun, but no, he survives the threat. Takes 3 cleanly. Leaves James all alone with a deagle and a dream. Actually, no, that's a P50, so you know what? No deagle, no dream.
Xantares, he needs to come up massive once again. He's not going to catch anything just yet, but he is still trying to find an angle here. He's going to be pushing in close towards the bomb site. Does find one, gets the second, and the third. That's definitely the right time to...
Nice. Flash over now, flash over.
Run.
I got no flash.
I don't have no.
Side.
I'm fucking beast, man.
Flashing
Flash.
and one more.
Bu video sponsorumuz Force Drop, güzel CSGO skinleri kazanabileceğiniz bir site. Sitede kontrat yapabilirsiniz, kazı kazan oynayabilirsiniz, Battle modunda başka insanlarla challenge yapabilir, silahlarınızı upgrade ederek daha güzel skinler kazanabilirsiniz. Ve benim kodumu kullanarak bakiye yüklemelerinde %25 bonus elde edebilirsiniz. Evet, şimdi biraz kasa açalım. Ben özellikle random cover kasasını öneriyorum ve 5 tane açıyorum. Ve gördüğünüz gibi $70 gibi bir kar elde ettim. Ve AK Neon'umu upgrade etmek istiyorum. Upgrade başlasın. Ve gördüğünüz gibi upgrade de başarılı bir şekilde gerçekleşti. Sizi de siteye bekliyorum arkadaşlar. Unutmayın, NSCSGO kodunu kullanarak %25 daha fazla bonus elde edebilirsiniz. İyi günler, iyi şanslar.
Can one get over, please? İbo git bombayı kur sen.
Yakın biri. Kapıda. Flash'ım var.
In turret. Think toward the wall. There are many 4 guys A.
Yeah. Nice. Flash one close, Xantares. Flashing up. One dead. Long already up. One toilet. I'm baiting him for you.
Yeah, no need help, man. No need help. The spray from duplicate is good enough to pick up the frag. Now the refrags or the bonus is coming in. Oh, he gets a second too. That's a big play from duplicate. Oh, but now you forgot Xantares is alive and he's online. He gets the first quick headshot. 2v1 now. Both from CT. Oh my god, dude, his aim! Oh my god, you're kidding me! Xantares! He is online! He just one-taps!
will come through, bomb will be planted, and Xantares, Searson, and Keto to try and finish the job for Big. They got good positions to work with. Xantares actually being pincered from 3 sides at once here, but if there's any player you'd back to get out of it, it would be Xantares first, second, looking for the third, and Xantares! He gets himself out 3 quick!
Coil.
Nice.
Maybe
Come on, one more come on.
Place that.
Nice. Bomb is default.
Banana.
Banana already.
Dark'tayım ben.
Bakıyorum ben neyse. Pick yapacağım bir defa. Hop, öldü.
Çok iyi.
Bana da. Pull'a bakıyorum. Pull'da.
Nice. Çok iyi.
tane B de var, girmeye çalışıyor. Girdi B'ye.
2 tane B.
5 saniye.
Güzel. Daha görmemiştim.
Yeni gelecek banana gelirse.
Geldi B'ye. Pozisyonuma iyi bakıyorum şu an. Açılımdan çıkarsın.
Gitmedi abi.
Göster Hakan bakıyor.
Nice.
The man advantage, so now he waits. He knows he's got a foothold in the bomb site, and so this narrows down where Big can be. They now know the AWP is at short, and if you're Complexity, you've already figured out that Xantares is somewhere up here in the apartments, but he just sprays between the two.
Actually, the Molotovs are still going to come out for the T side as well, which is going to delay even further. Keto, though, not going to be able to find anything. Oh, but look at Xantares. He's already found 2 kills, and he's in for the 1v1, knows where Neeks is as well, and it all comes down to the timing. Can he find the flick? Xantares, this could be huge! Oh! What a flick from the Turkish star, Xantares! Sit down! Smash! Oh my goodness!
Left side.
Five now, coming 5.
Side and the pushing wall.
No way, two.
No armor.
Yeah.
He crossed, I think.
Yeah.
Nice, sick round. Okay, let's fucking figure out.
Peek in. Oh, spotted out. Face still peeks up. Gets his 3k. On for 4. Not quite. Xantares takes him down. Now has an opening here as he can go towards tunnels or short. He is a pick of the litter when it comes to the bomb sites. But backed up over to the longhouse is where he'll try and approach this. With the shot, missing it out. And now it all rests on Grux. So 3k up for Xantares. Phaeton has already found one of his own. Got a jump face and shoulder bait to try and force out a shot from the M4. The spray comes in. And the Turkish...
Atsana.
Attım.
Bitleyim ben bakıyorum.
Atayım.
Ne ya?
Bir spawn ama.
Mid girdi abi. Geri attım kendimi. Bir canım var.
2 tane teslim adam var.
Atıyor amına koyayım ya.
Apartman.
Orta girdi.
Kaç tane? Hayır hayır.
3 tane short.
3 short, okey.
Aynen.
Koşum var yine abi hala.
Side'da 2 tane.
Gerek yok oğlum.
Kutu üstü çıkmış.
Bitti yok. Bitti yok.
Bekle biraz yavaş. Bekle adam.
AK bekommen, also geiler hätte es kaum laufen können. Syrson verschießt, aber da steht jetzt noch einer close. Ich könnte gerade nicht sagen, es ist Xantares. Und der bekommt beide Kills, die Bombe droppt im Aquarium. Er holt die 2 gegen 2 Situation wieder raus.
Oh, und den dritten noch stark gemacht.
Meine Güte, da sind sie alle in Xantares reingelaufen. Nur noch Speedy. Und der, mal schauen, welchen Laufweg der nimmt.
Dadurch können sie das Ganze abaimen und damit sind auch Speedy die Hände gebunden. 20 Sekunden noch auf der Uhr, muss beide instant klicken und Xantares nimmt den 4. in die Hand. Schön gespielt von...
They do have James, who is still just lurking around on balloons, who is going to pick up the AWP for himself. Kito's going to get Molotov out of position, and he had no hope, no chance. Xantares, a couple of flashes land on his face. He can't see anything, but he's going to use that smoke as sanctuary and wait for the oncoming tease. If they can line up for the FAMAS, maybe there's a way back in, and there's a double spray for the Turkishman, who is trying to just hide now in the water. 30 seconds to play with. Buster is waiting, anticipating a potential play on short. They don't have time to rotate, and there's connector control as well coming in for Big. Maybe just anticipating that rotation as Kickert is going to dispatch of Tizian, lining up a smoke now. as he goes back into connector, but time is still dwindling away, and Xantares could just pull this off alone. He's already picked up 3 frags. There's the 4th, there's the bomb down, and a flashbang to boot. There's not enough time now for James to get on the site. They've done enough. Big have won this round, and I have no idea how.
What a miracle play.
Go peek.
Close. Side one. Side in city. Gap.
Short dead.
One side, one city. Side one. City, kill city.
Yeah, side.
Long twin.
One on one. USP short. Nice. İsmail Kent 4 kardeş. German player.
Go B, rush B.
Not German.
Yes.
Turkish. And I'm con still.
Fuck, hold it window.
I just smoke window.
One more under.
Low HP, yeah. He went B2B.
We can go up short maybe, Jan.
I will do it, but
Walking up short. Let's go. I'm blind as a motherfucker.
BF flashing.
I'm gonna molly it.
I did.
Have a double molly.
Just plant fast.
Low HP.
Third van. One clear. Planting for you short. One kitchen fast. One's long.
One is
holding long.
BFs. Nice.
Peeking. Okay.
I'm
pretty
sometimes
stuck
short,
right here.
sometimes long. All good. Just keep the ult long, okay?
Yeah, I only have long.
One more BF.
Nice turn. Long.
Nice.
Bit of an issue here for Movistar Riders. They don't have any players over towards the B bomb site currently. Xantares does manage to find one. Picks up a Galil. Could potentially find another because we do have one player being very low on HP. That's Steel. Oh, Xantares. Nice transfer. Finds them both. Still 20 seconds left on the clock. He's going to back off close towards the A bomb site now. Could potentially find a bomb plant here as well. That will give them extra money to work with. But Alex posted up in a good position. Oh, Xantares makes his way through and will be able to get the bomb down. Actually, very well done by Xantares. Not only getting the triple kill, also getting the bomb plant. Giving them so much more money to work with than they would have had otherwise. And dealing so much economic damage towards Movistar Riders. Xantares creeping forward. They line up for him. Xantares with a 1-on-5.